When running a restaurant business, you must provide the best customer service if you want to become successful. Most of the successful restaurants not only focus on their food but also to other factors like place, personal, and modern tools to improve their services. Usually when going to a restaurant, the customer finds a table, call the waiter for the book of the menu, and call the waiter again if they are ready to order. Then the crew will get your orders just by writing it on a piece of paper. After eating, the customer will see the service crew again for billing. These are the usual scenarios that we can encounter when entering or eating in a restaurant. And since we are in a pandemic, this traditional process is really risky. But what if we improve the menu presentation, ordering, and customer feedback gathering and analysis using smartphone? So to facilitate all of this, we are proposing a land-based web application called SmartCarte. SmartCarte is an interactive web-based restaurant menu with feedback analyzer. So this is how the initial specification of the system works. On the home page of the web applications, you will see three options there: Scan QR code, New Customer, and Walked In. Scan QR code option is for those customers who visited the restaurant for many times and then downloaded their customer's Suki virtual ID. Their virtual ID has a QR code where they will use it to authenticate on the system for them to access the menu of the restaurant virtually. After the successful authentication, there will be another QR code scanner which is for scanning the table's identification. This is for the crew or staff of the restaurant to know which table they were located. After that, a session will automatically be created and they will be redirected on the ordering process. For a new customer Suki virtual ID will be generated and it will be available for download after a successful transaction on the system. This is after they order, pay bill, and send feedback on the system. For walk-in customers, no virtual ID will be generated and they will be instantly redirected to the ordering process. Feedback is also required upon a successful ordering process. Now, let's move on how ordering process works.
Menus has been categorized based on what have been set up by the staff of the restaurant on the system. To order, the customer just have to click the photo of the food, then a model will be prompted. There, the customer will be able to read relevant details of the food and its price as well. Then just click the Add to Cart button to order, then it will proceed on the cart which can be seen on the top right corner of the screen. To see all the foods added on the cart, just click the cart icon and you will be redirected on the cart lists. There, you can modify the quantity of your orders per food and also you can remove it before you can confirm your orders. Upon payment, a basket with a QR code will be given by the staff. This is where the customer put their payment and use the QR code for the confirmation of the payment. But before that, the app will ask the customer to leave a comment or feedback. There are two options. First, the customer can give ratings and feedback on each food they ordered, and the second is typing general feedback. At last, after sending feedback, the customer will automatically log out and points or credits will be given on the virtual ID which can be used by the restaurant owners to give freebies or discounts on their next dine-in. All the feedback sent by the customers will automatically identified by the system if it is for personal service, food, and ambience. A graph will be shown to identify all the positive and negative feedbacks of the customers based on the said classifications. Through analytics, the restaurant management could do necessary actions regarding the negative feedbacks and improve specific aspects of the services. To sum up, these are the advantages of using the proposed application. It makes the ordering process more comfortable. Having an ordering system makes day-to-day operations more efficient for a restaurant. On the other hand, before placing orders, the customers can browse and see relevant information about the food they want to order. Instant inventory. You can track the sales of your restaurant and easily identify what are the best sellers. Easily gather and analyze customer feedback. Customer feedback is essential to improve the restaurant services. Protect you, your staff, and customers from contagious viruses. Your restaurant will always be equipped to face uncertain situations, fulfill your customers' needs, and importantly, keeps both your customer and staff safe in the harm of pandemic. Improve overall customer experience. In running restaurants, not only the food itself is essential, but also the customer experience. Through modern technology, you can give the best experience to your customers. We're digital nomads, living a digital life. And one thing that we have learned throughout this revolution is that whatever we want or need can be obtained with just a few clicks on our beloved smart devices.